the DURATECH compression ring removal tool, 1/2 inch. Okay, really nice tool to have. So if you look behind your toilet, you probably have something that looks like this sticking out of the wall with a nut on it like this, right? And then everything's connected off of that, right? Like the steel braided cable. Now, if you unscrew it, right, it's going to sit on there like so, around like so. And there's going to be a compression ring inside here that when you screw this on, it actually crushes. And what this does, this actually nicely, you're going to have to use your imagination a little bit, but you would screw this on, right, onto it, kind of like so. And then what you would do is, trying to show you, is you'd screw this in. And as you screw this in, there's a plunger that's pushing this and this apart very cleanly so you don't ruin anything. So watch, you'll see this, see how that just comes out? And it's even ferruled, like it's tapered. So it'll just push the compression ring out and you don't ruin your pipe, okay? So very nice tool, very simple. Really nothing could go wrong with this tool. The only thing I could see is maybe if you have something that's really messed up, you can possibly bend this, but then you could just get a tool on there. No big deal. But yeah, this is the DURATECH compression ring removal tool. Perfect thing to have in your plumbing toolkit. And that's how it works.